Hi traders, Lenny Volpasella here from ACY Securities. I'm the Global Desk Team Leader and Senior Trader Trainer. And today I'm going to be taking you through the ACY History Simulator. So why would you use the History Simulator EA? Now, more or less, it's used to historically test your trading strategy based on your entries, exits, and risk over time to assess overall performance in real market conditions. Example, let's say every time the 20-day moving average crossed above the 50, you entered a trade with a 20 pip stop loss for a 100 pip gain. This would test the success rate of that strategy over a period of time. Now, what are the benefits of using a history simulator? Well, quite simply, it allows you to test a variety of different trading strategies and assess their performance. This will give you a better understanding of how successful the trading system you are trying to implement is. And it'll also allow you to implement tweaks where you see fit to understand if there are any improvements to your performance curve. This instrument can be used on all the instruments in which ACY Securities provide as part of the trading platform. Now, how to use it is quite simple. Head over to the toolbar from the menu ribbon, click on Options in the drop-down menu, and then you must allow DLL imports from the Expert Advisors tab to be clicked. From there, hit OK, and you have it set up ready to go. From there, you will need to go into View, head to Strategy Tester, make sure the inputs are correct. So History Simulator, you allocate the symbol in which you're looking to test your period on. You can then go into the time frame in which you're testing your strategy. From there, model is control points. From there, use date. So you select the time frames from when you're looking to open the trade to when you're looking to have the trade closed out. And then from there, you have your visual mode as well. Once you're ready to get it started, click Start and go from there. And I will be doing a live demonstration towards the end of this tutorial. But first of all, how to install is quite simple. Just like the other scripts, open MT4, open File in the top left. From there, open your data folder in the drop-down menu. After this has been complete, open your MQL4 folder, then click on Expert and paste your ACY History Simulator script into this tab. From there, you will need to go again to your MQL4 folder, then click Libraries, and you will need to put the downloaded file mt4gui2.dll within the Libraries folder. From there, please restart your MetaTrader platform. Now, to break it down, a live demonstration of how to use this indicator is quite simple. So first things first, click on View, head to Strategy Tester once it has been installed. As mentioned, in here, we need to ensure that we have the ACY History Simulator displayed. From there, pick your symbol. So in this scenario, let's do $yen mode. So every tick. From here, we select our date. So let's say we're looking to do from the start of December up until the present, which is today's date. We hit Start. And our trade pops up. So first things first, let's say we're here back on the 1st, right? So we're here looking to test our strategy. Price is trading at 113. We've gone back in time. Let's say you have your indicator set up and all the confluences are going off for you to take a trade. From there, you can initiate your position. So volume, let's say we're looking to do one standard lot. We're looking to have a stop loss down at 112 and we are looking to target 114 and we are taking a buy. So I hit buy, we can see the trade display across the chart. From there, I will need to set stop loss, set take profit. You can see those two appear on the chart. And you can do one of two things. Simply, you can allow this run into time, or you can go to skip to date. So this will head to today's date. Once I do that, It'll take a little bit of time to load, which will allow it to do. And then once it is loaded, I will show you in respect to what will come up in your results, your graph, and your report. Perfect. So once it's finished loading, you can see there where we entered, where we exited. And then what we can do from here is head over to our results and we can see how the trade ended up playing out. So on one standard lot, our entry price, you can see our entry price, we can see the price in which we had our stop loss, and we can see the price in which we had our take profit. So in this scenario, our take profit was hit at 114 for a gain of $799.61. From there, we can head over to the graph. Now, we've only taken one trade, which has led to a gain. So we can see the graph, obviously pointing quite high. And then in terms of that, we can head over to our report and we can more or less see gross profit, $699, the maximum drawdown in which we ended up going into. Our total profitable trades, which is one, because we only took one in this instance. And the positions in which we've won, and relative to drawdown, 9% of the overall balance. From there, you can see your journal as well in regards to where potential trades were executed and had been exited. Now, more or less in respects to the history simulator, this is one of my favorite scripts in which we are putting out there. It gives traders the ability to go in and practice in past scenarios, as opposed to trading on a demo account where, again, you still need to sit and wait to see how your strategy would play out. This is more or less a test. It's used by institutional and professional traders to backtest their knowledge. It's more or less an exercise and an instrument that you can do to hopefully help better your trading and make any tweaks you see fit to help maximize your trading potential. If you require any assistance in respects to downloading and installing the history simulator, or you have any questions in regards to its functionalities, then please feel free to reach out to your account manager, as they'll be more than happy to assist. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and taken something away. I look forward to speaking to you in the near future. Bye for now.